Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Shein account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Shein account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address shein.com, and after that hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Shein. Over here guys, you can see. And now in order to log into your Shein account, at the top right corner of the screen guys, I'll just close this and let's close this also. And at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the person or profile icon over here. Click on that, and then you'll be redirected to the login panel of Shein. You can see over here. Now in order to log into your Shein account, you can also sign into your account with your Google or your Facebook account. If you click on either of these buttons, a login page to your Google or Facebook will open, and if you log into your respective accounts, you will also be logged into your Shein account with your Google or Facebook account. And with that being said guys, enter your email address over here with which you had created an account on Shein, or your mobile number, and after that click on continue. And on the next step you'll be required to enter your password over here guys. And if you have not created an account, you will be shown a create like this. But guys, on the next step you will be to a page where you will be able to enter your password, and after entering your password guys, you will be logged into your Shein account online on your computer. And with that being said guys, this is how you log into your Shein account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.